Hello, and welcome to 2-Minute Artist Support Talks with Michael Carini. Today I want to give you a little tip. So one of the things I hear a lot from artists is that they have trouble getting rid of that white composition. Like, how many of you work on a painting and you feel like it's kind of coming together, but you still have some of that white space or some of that white popping through, and you're just like, if I just didn't have that. So I have an easy solution for you, and it's called an underpainting. Now, right here, what I have is an underpainting or a toned ground. So by starting with a solid color that's going to work with my composition, this will influence and impact anything that goes on top of it. So already, before I've even started my painting, I've already eliminated any of that pesky and unwanted white space. And I'm telling you, this really pulls your composition together. And starting with a nice middle tone allows you to just go back and forth between your darks and your lights, as opposed to starting with such a light value like a blank white canvas. So I would love for you to give this tip a try. Let me know what you think. Let me know if it works for you. Have you tried this before? Share your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Let me know how it works for you. And check out all my other support talks right here. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.